Milo. Milo, would you like a cracker? Would you like a cracker? Milo, would you like a cracker? Milo. Are you looking at the door jambs again? Yep, you're checking them all out. Would you like a cracker, Milo? I have them here. Would you like a cracker? Cracker. 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 Good job. Good job. You're such a big boy. Good job. Cracker. Miss Katie would be so proud of you saying that, and Miss Jennifer. You got the whole thing in your mouth. My goodness. Cracker. Yummy cracker. There you go. Big cracker in your mouth, huh? Look outside. It's so cold outside on that deck today, huh? Are you climbing up? Want me to pull the chair out? Is that Winnie underneath you? Is that Winnie down there? I think she's waiting in case you drop some of that cracker. Is that Winnie? I think it's Winnie. Okay. Say bye-bye. You say bye-bye and play the iPad.